The village pulses with life as children's laughter dances on the breeze and farmers move with practiced grace. Under the sun-drenched sky, families unite, their stories weaving a tapestry of warmth and connection. Lanterns cast a gentle light as the village gathers, harmony resonating in every shared moment. Heavy black clouds gather, plunging the village into an ominous shadow. A terrifying swarm of crows descends, their eyes glowing red, their cries filling the air. Children run screaming as the crows attack, their glowing eyes watching from every rooftop. In the heart of the village square, flickering lanterns cast eerie shadows on the faces of the gathered villagers. The old wise man steps forward, his face a canvas of worry and age, commanding silence with his presence. As the storm outside mirrors the turmoil within, the old wise man speaks with grave conviction. These crows are the shadow of our division. As long as we fight among ourselves, they will never leave.